Alright guys, what's up? I'm going to be playing with my sub. Here, let me tell him to say hi. Say hi to the Alright, hold on. He needs to say hi, bro. Alright, he said hi, guys. But the main focus today is just showing you all my brain rots, and we are going to be doing a giveaway. If you subscribe, tell me your username, and I'll add you. I'll give away one of my brain rots, and I gave away this brain rot right here. And yeah, so if you want to be one of those people, then just subscribe, comment your name, and like the video. But yeah, I will be giving away my Candy Alessio. So if you want to get that, just do what I said. Alright, but yeah. Chucky, your connection, Chucky. Who the heck is this, bro? Who are you? Wait, did my friend leave already? Hold on. Yeah. Remember? Hey, bro. The green bean. Green bean. Hector. I think that was him. Hold on. The green bean Hector. I said sub for 3 weeks. Oh yeah. Alright. Since you subscribed, come get a brain rot. Here. Take the crab. There. Alright guys, see, this could be you. I'm going to be giving away my stuff. And yeah, that's all you have to do. Comment your username, subscribe, and I'll ask you if you subscribe. No problem. It's a big auto correction. But yeah, if you want that to be you, then just subscribe, comment your username, and yeah, I'll give you some. But that's not the main focus. Main focus is just to like chill out. And I want you to introduce. I want my friend to introduce himself. Hey, G2. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Choose yourself. Oh shoot, I spelled that so wrong. Introduce yourself. Hi, I am G2. Oh, hello. Yeah. Hey, nah, buddy's still in that. I'm G2 and bro, why are you guys beefing, bro? Is he trying to steal his stuff? Oh my gosh, bro. No way. On a no stealing. No stealing. Why no stealing? Oh, I did not mean to see it. Oh my gosh, bro. Be right back. Alright, bro. Hey, G2's, yeah, he's been a bad boy. Bad boy. Hey. G2, don't be a bad, bad boy. G2, don't be a bad boy. And green bean. Angry me. Bro, I don't know why they're doing this, but guys,
Cappuccino
yeah,
assassino.
I did not mean to buy that. But yeah, guys. Guys, I order from this so hard. My friend said, I bet you're not going to get the keyboard warrior. I said, yeah. Better say my bad, bro. Alright. But this is not my main account. This is my alt. This is my main account. I had to put all of my stuff on there to Rebirth. But yeah. And I hope they're not selling my stuff. But guys, yeah. If you want to do the giveaways, just subscribe, comment your username, and yeah, that's how you enter a giveaway. But I don't know. I'm gonna say, should we join public server? Should we join a public server? You're gonna get robbed. I know. Right. I wish I could record on my Xbox so I could show you guys the gameplay on there. Well, actually, I think I could do it, but that will be in next vid. So, yeah. If you want to see me join a public server, just just subscribe. Stay tuned. Oh, G2 left. But, yeah. Bear Bros out. And also, I might be changing my name to something else, so stay tuned for that. And yeah. If you want to, see that, or yeah. And also enter the giveaway. And yeah, I might get a brain rot. Thank you.